Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable notifications for groups on Telegram so you never miss important messages again. If your group chats have been silent or you're not getting alerts, chances are your notification settings need a small adjustment. The good news is it only takes a few seconds to fix. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your Telegram experience, including privacy, data, and notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to manage alerts for messages, groups, and channels separately. Now, look for the option labeled Groups. This is the key part. If notifications are turned off, you won't receive alerts from any group chats. Simply toggle on Groups to enable notifications. Once it's switched on, you'll start receiving alerts for new messages in your groups again. You can also customize how these notifications appear, like choosing a sound, vibration, or pop-up style, but that's completely optional. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made sure you stay updated with everything happening in your Telegram groups. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.